Good afternoon. Here we are again. I wanted to make a short movie, but to be honest, so much rain outside. It might be Dutch, but it's around 0 degrees. They say today we're gonna have a big snowstorm, so that's going to be interesting. I saw 7 to 12 centimeters of snow tonight, and that will be freezing from -1 to -4. So yeah, getting the sled, did some exercise, and yeah, looking forward to it. Snow, I love snow. It's much better than rain. Today we had our first power cut. Something went wrong in the thing somewhere, and we didn't have power for a couple of hours. Also, internet went out. That's because there was a water breakage in one of the nearby apartments. Last night, the fire department came there and tried to help them. They had a broken pipe thing. It happens a lot because of the salt water. Pipes are not made for that, and they're all very old. So yeah, no internet. There was we have mobile internet, so that's no problem. So I could just work a little slower as well. Could not sit down. I have to stay next to the window, which is also good. What else? Yeah, not many air alarms so far, so that's good. I read that they were saving them up around 800. That was a shocker. But also that they cannot load them because they used to do that in Crimea. Now they cannot load a certain type of missile anymore. But let's see. You never know. They're going to aim for civilians and for the army. Also this. Yeah. So yeah. Every time you hear an air alarm and you read that the rockets are nearing, you think, oh no, this is the big one. Because you get lured into a false sense of security. I haven't seen anything scary yet. It's probably very different for people in Kherson and everything, near the front, all the brave soldiers. But here it's kind of, quiet, feels very safe. So that's always the thing that you have to be watchful for, not to get lazy and feel too safe, because then they will get you. So yeah, I don't know. I used to want to fix up this thing as a gym, but the walls were so brittle, everything I attached just fell out. They're pretty big holes, so yeah. So now I use these, the provided things. Before we think, I have this garage now about 3 years or something. We bought it for $10,000 cash. It's not really ours. It's a shared thing. Ooh, it's dry. Got the sled. Snow clouds. It's gonna be fun tomorrow. That's not oh. Well, doesn't like the dark. Well, the power is gone, as you can see. No. That is annoying indeed, I know. It's really stormy out there. The UPS is not doing its thing because I think internet is gone. So I might as well disconnect it. We have a lights, Christmas lights. Loa has to watch a show on his computer. Well, I saw the I saw the storms in Odessa. They had no power for a bit, and well, I guess now it's our turn. But we'll be fine. I have like so many lights. Which one will we use? Yes, battery packs. We have a few. I'll have to charge my phone. Get the anchor out. And have to work tomorrow morning. And this thing, look, I got it all ready. I set the timer. Oh, this is not gonna do. Still have gas. I couldn't disconnect it, just to be sure. Don't know what's going to happen. Well, the chargers are useless, so we can use the cables for power bank. Oh, guess we have to find some downloaded shows, which I might have some. I think I'll watch Fargo. Watch Fargo with a little bit of Georgian cognac, and we'll be fine. Put it ready. Okay. How's the cat? Are you okay, cat? Sky? The cats don't mind. They just don't like the sleeping thing. Heb je nou internet, Loa? No, internet is out too. I'll unplug this bastard. Opa, no more beeping from you. Huh? No, I know. It was The router was on, but it didn't have any internet, Laura, so good thing I didn't take the elevator, huh? Jesus, it's so stormy. Wow. It's impressive. Hello, the next day. It's not too bad here. There's some snow here. But not much on the road. It's now all defrosting and freezing up again. So that's gonna be fun. Open the doors. Wearing the wrong shoes. I just wanna do a little bit of exercise. Hang that thing there. And we're gonna punch a bit. Go home again. Still looks like snow in the air. Oh. In Ukraine, you always have to watch out that you don't stand next to buildings because snow will fall off and these things kind of hurt, especially when they come up from a big height. Right. Well, speak to you later. Well, I do miss my heavy bag from Crete. This thing is very light and it's a little bit too low, but we'll manage.